Feels great to start taking things out of the engine bay. We'll take out the washer tank and just work our way around, clearing up a load of space around the engine. So having undone the 2 bolts that hold the washer tank, what we don't want is for all the washer fluid to drain all over the floor. So what we'll do is we'll pull this hose through the bulkhead and just raise it nice and high so that we don't get any siphon effect. Then we'll lift the tank out. So we'll unclip this wiring connector and disconnect the wiring. So having disconnected that, we're going to stick some masking tape around it and label it, because we'll be removing the entire wiring loom. And you really need to label as you go here. So what we've got is a hose that runs from the washer pump motor through the bulkhead, and there's a little clip that holds that we need to undo from inside the wing. But before we do that, I want to tell you about my love affair with these pliers. They're angle-headed needle nose pliers, and they're absolutely wonderful for undoing wiring connectors, unclipping little bits of plastic. They're really, really useful, much more useful than straight-headed needle nose pliers. I absolutely recommend these. So there's a little plastic clip that holds the washer hose on. We just release that from inside the wing. So keeping the washer hose nice and high up, let's just lift off the tank and drain it at our leisure.